What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be taking a look at how much I made off YouTube in 2019, all through ad revenue. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Now, my YouTube ad revenue isn't amazing, it's still pretty good. I'm extremely happy with that. Over the last few months, my income, my YouTube ad revenue, has been pretty consistent. So let's go over to my analytics and take a little look. So as you can see, the last 28 days, I've done £224. Actually, let's change this to USD. So let's just go there. Find that USD right down here somewhere. So where is it? There it is. Let's just save that. So the last 28 days I've done $294. So if we change this and just go to December, you can see I did 364. And then if we go to November, we can see I did 325. Now let's just go to all time, which is just here, lifetime. So lifetime I've done $2,851. And if we go to 2019, just here, which I was supposed to do, you can see most of that actually come last year, 2019, and I did $2,800. Now if we go over to revenue and then go to lifetime, you can see that I've actually had my channel now for almost 2 years. I started it 26th of February 2018, so it is coming up to that 2-year mark. It took me almost a whole year, as you can see just here, until 21st of December 2018 to actually get approved. And that is because you have to have 4,000 hours watch time and over 1,000 subscribers. So it took me a whole year of putting out content. I wasn't really that consistent back then. It's only been 2019 where I've started being more consistent, but it took that length of time to get things going. Then everything started to snowball. So if we go back to 29 up here, or 2019, just there, we can see I started off making just a couple of dollars a day, not really that much, then jumping up, slowly growing. Then over the last few months it's been pretty consistent. I had my best day there, which was $23 in one day. And if we scroll down to here, we can see, like I said, each month has been pretty consistent. 312 there, 323, 331, 325, 346, so it's all gradually growing. And if we look here on the side, we can see my best performing videos. So this one has made me $55, 48, 47, 47 and 46. So I'm really happy with these results. I didn't expect to make a boatload of money right out the gate with YouTube ad revenue, because it doesn't work like that. You want to gradually or slowly, or not slowly, consistently put out content that your followers like, and then over time your subscriber count grows, your views, your ad revenue, and it's just a snowball effect. Now if we go back to lifetime and have a look here, so let's just go on to, let's go on to here. Now, right here, this whole year, most people would have given up, whereas I didn't. I actually just like creating videos and putting out content. It's something that I've learned to enjoy over time, so I didn't worry about the YouTube ad revenue. Plus, this is only one of my income streams. It's one of my smaller ones, but one nonetheless. I now have 4. So one is low content book publishing. If you want to know more about that, come over to the channel just here. Go to playlist because I make a lot of videos about publishing low content books on Amazon just here. So come and check that out if you're interested. My second income stream is teaching people how to create these low content books because I do have a few courses. If you want to check that out, there's a link down in the description below as well. And then my third one is affiliate marketing, so I also do a bit of that. And then the fourth one being this, my YouTube ad revenue. And all four of them combined does make me a decent income here online. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.